Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking at a question one of our clients recently asked us. So what she's asking is this: when I create a new customer in AutoCount, the credit limit is automatically set to 30,000. How can I change this credit limit, let's say example, to 20,000? So if you like to change the credit limit for just one customer, all we just need to do is come here to debtor maintenance. Alright, let's say for example here credit control, and from here you can change. So let's say I want to change this to 20,000. I just press 20,000 and I press OK. Alright, and then it's done already. Okay, so if you like to change the default credit limit in AutoCount, what you need to do is we close this screen first, come to tools here, come to options, come to AR, come to debtor default, and from here we have credit limit here, so we can change this to 20,000. Okay, so let's say we have done with this, we just press OK. Right, so apart from that, you can also set different defaults categories as well. So like say credit term, everything is not COD, so we can change it to say net 30 days. Things like that can be set in here. So once we are done, we press OK, and let's say we come and create a new debtor maintenance. When we come to credit control now, here you can see it's 20,000. Right, so this is actually how we can actually change the credit limit in for your customers in outside AutoCount. Do like and subscribe to be notified when we release new guides. Thanks.